Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to deposit money from your TD Bank account to Chime in 2025. With banking apps getting even more user-friendly, this process is quicker than ever, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you don't miss a beat. Whether you're looking to consolidate your funds, pay bills, or just manage your money better, this guide has you covered. First things first, make sure you have both your TD Bank and Chime accounts set up and verified. In 2025, most banks have enhanced security, so double-check that your accounts are linked to your phone or email for seamless transfers. Start by opening the TD Bank app or logging into their website on your computer. If you're using the app, you'll love the updated interface. It's intuitive and mobile optimized. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Move Money section. This is usually found in the main menu. Here, you'll select the option to transfer funds externally. Now, enter your Chime account details. You'll need the Chime routing number and your account number. Double-check these to avoid any delays. Pro tip: in 2025, TD Bank might offer instant verification for popular apps like Chime, so look for that feature to speed things up. Next, specify the amount you want to transfer and add any necessary notes, like personal transfer. Review all the details carefully. Fees could apply, especially for faster transfers, so choose the standard option if you're not in a rush. Hit confirm, and you'll get a confirmation code or email. The transfer typically takes 1 to 3 business days, but with 2025's advancements, it might be instantaneous. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, check your TD Bank account balance or contact customer support through the app. Chime is known for its fee-free setup, so this could save you money in the long run. And remember, always monitor your accounts for security. There you have it. Transferring money from TD Bank to Chime is straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. What's your next financial hack? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.